Hello everybody. In this video I have tried to explain the working of LDR register. Okay, that is light dependent register through Arduino, and for this I have taken the help of Tinkercad platform. Okay, so you can see in front on the screen that we are having a Arduino board over here, and breadboard. On the breadboard I have taken LED, and this is my LDR register. Okay, and two resistors I have taken. There is 220 ohm each. Now coming over here to LDR register, this is terminal 1, this is terminal 2. Terminal 1 I have connected to 5 volt, and in the breadboard this 5 volt is coming from the 5 volt of Arduino, and I have taken ground. So lower one is 5 volt, upper one is ground. So I have connected the one terminal to 5 volt, and other terminal has been given to A0 pin of Arduino. Okay, that is analog input, right? Now this analog input which I have taken from this terminal 2, okay, here is a voltage divider. I have taken a resistance and 220 ohm resistance, and then the other part of the resistance I have connected to the ground. Okay, this is the connection for LDR. Now to see the dependent of light intensity on this LDR resistor, I have taken LED over here. The LED1 cathode is connected to the ground, and anode is through a resistance to pin number 9. Okay, now let us see the code. I have defined sensor as S0, sensor value as 0, and LED as pin number 9. Okay, so this is the integer I have taken. In the void setup I have defined method, I have defined pin mode, that is LED out, sensor input, and baud rate is by default 9600 for Arduinos that I have taken, that is serial.begin to see the monitor, serial monitor the below over here the values. This one I have just simulated right now, so I got this value. So delay is 10 I have taken. Then void loop, in that sensor value I have taken analog read sensor. Why analog read? Because this will take the data from the environment, it is analog in form, so analog read I have taken. Okay, and then serial.println, this means at every new line that it will be printed, not in horizontal form, in vertical form. So sensor value, okay, it will print the sensor value. The analog write LED map sensor value, this values represent, that is I want to map from 0 1 0 2 3 to 0 to 55. So the syntax is sensor value, okay, which we want to map, that the name over here. Okay, from low to low, from high to high, in that way I have mapped it over here. Then I have given a delay of 100 and have terminated the program. Okay, now let's simulate it and let's see it's working properly or not. So I'm starting the simulation over here. The simulation started. Now I'm clicking on this LDR. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm changing the intensity. You see, I'm changing the intensity. So in the serial monitor the data is changing. It is 1, it is 86 now, and LED is slightly glowing. Slight more I will change. You can see in serial monitor the data is changing to 182 or something. LED is glowing. Now I'll come to the highest part. See, the LED is glowing and it is 310 now. Okay, so this is how my LDR register is working. Okay, so I'm stopping the simulation. I hope I have cleared the working of LDR register to everybody. Thank you for watching my video.